Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another quick video. We are about to get ready to organize and restock this laundry room. We had so much stuff in there, just from me couponing and buying different stuff and not putting it up. So it got really junky really quick. And if you live in a small home or you have small spaces in your home, it does not take a lot for it to get junky. So my main thing was trying to keep this space from looking cluttered. Again, it's small. It was a lot of stuff in there. And if it's not in a good place or it's a specific place, it looks really, really junky. So I kept moving things around, kept shifting things around until I kind of got it how I wanted to get it. It's still not eventually the end all be all of the laundry room. We want to add cabinets and we're going to take certain things out once we get storage. But for right now, I just wanted it to be a little bit more functional than what it was. So I was like, okay, I have got to get this under control. We use this washer. A lot of people use this washer and dryer. So I just did not want it to be a place where they couldn't come and, properly wash their clothes. Here, I was just showing you that I had purchased these from the Dollar Tree, and it's like a peel and stick thing. And I felt like it was a really good, quick, cheap organizer that you can use to organize your brooms and, things that you clean with. So let me know if you guys will check that out once you go to the Dollar Tree. For the life of me, I just don't know how this dustpan got so nasty. it just held the dirt in there. Anyway, I wiped it out, cleaned it out as much as I could. You know, dustpans, they're gonna get dirty, but geez, that was a bit much. So I wanted to clean it out before I hung it up on the little stand there. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it encouraged you guys to organize some things in your home. Like I said, it's not the end all be all, but hey, it's more functional in there. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace.